Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw a cute cat holding balloons. The first step we're going to take is to draw a curve just like this. Now we're going to take one of the sides and go around and round and round until you want to stop for the bottom. It's kind of the same thing on the other side. So go up and over. And you're gonna go round and round and round and stop. There's our big fat cat. Now let's take one of the sides and then make a curve that goes in a bit, just like this. Now I want to make a curve again for one of the paws and go up. Now another paw is gonna go right here. Just another curve. Let's draw some little toe marks, just like this. I'm gonna put 3 more over here. Perfect. Get it? Perfect. 3 more over here. And then we're gonna draw its tail. So our tail's gonna go up, over, come in a bit, and around. There's our tail. Now let's draw another little paw holding the balloons. So let's go up and around. Let's draw 3 little lines again. Cute. Our balloon is going to have like it's wrapped around. So make 2 little lines like this and then take that line and make a little bump, and then make a little bump again so it looks like the balloon is coming around and over the paw. So let's draw the string for the balloon. Make it go up like this. I like it. The next step is to make it come off just like this. And then we're going to draw 2 heart balloons. One is going to go like this, and another just a curve again. And then once you have that curve, make a triangle at the bottom. And then we're going to make it connect just like this. Now our next heart, I'm going to put it kind of to the side here. It's just a curve around again, and then curve it around again. Looks good. Now make that triangle. I like it. And then connect. Perfect. And then you can make your lines a little curvy, more natural looking, just like mine. Looks good. Now let's make some detail on the cat's face. We're going to make a bump here and then another bump here for the ears. Now for the eyes, they're kind of like the same bumps, just a curve around and then a curve around again. We're going to make a nose. The nose is just a little circle. Now we're going to make one side come out like this and another side come out like this for the face. I like it. I'm going to draw some little dots here and then little dots here. That's going to be for the whiskers. And then make those whiskers come out really far. So here's 1, 2, and then 3. Same thing for the other side. 1, 2, and then 3. I like it. Now let's color it in. Here's our cute cat. This would be great to put on a card for someone. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please subscribe for brand new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye!